hard to find. That's not the case with me. What you get is what you see. So I'm gonna say what I'm thinking. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Please like me. I want you to like me. It's not that I'm needy, I just need to know you care. Please like me. You don't have to love me. I need you to like me, and I need you to like my hair. All of it. Yes, seriously, all of it. La 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 la. People tell me I shouldn't let down my guard. I'm showing the game 'cause I'm showing my every card. I don't see it that way. Life is not a power play. Maybe you think I'm naive, and baby, that's okay. Just like me. Come on and like me. If you like me, then I know we'll get along. Believe me, once you get to know me, I know you will like me, and I know you will like this song that just got your attention. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 like me. Before you pass judgment upon me and get all freaked out on me, and you run away and I get hurt. Remember, I am not an aberration. Everyone seeks validation. Some suppress it, others hint it. I confess it, and I print it on my shirt. You really actually thought I was going to lift up my shirt. Just kidding, but I do have to plug down actually.